What happened? Somebody messaged you. They're not talking to me.
What?
What's the matter?
Nini na ka?
Can you use my iPad a bit? What?
Okay. Ilyas, mami si Ilyas. DJ, you want to watch mommy concert? I'm Ilyas. Why you look at me? That's okay, right? Don't have to think about your mistake. Gaya! Nasasitaan na. Why you don't want to bring snack? What do you eat when
It takes too long time.
What do you do when they eat their snack? Oh, my hair.
Did that happen?
It's like JJ's.
I have to go to school.
It's the iPad girls. Good morning, ladies.
Oh, you can't.
Good morning, Daddy.
Yeah.
Good morning, ladies. Good morning, Daddy. Good morning, ladies.
Yay.
Good morning, Jessica. Good morning, Jennifer. Good morning, Daddy.
I need.
I smell good, no?
Good.
Oh, good job. Ano mo, baby titas, oh? Ano mo, baby, oh? Morning. Nandito ang aking caretaker ni Dudong Jack, oh. Lami, oh, tulog, Jack, boy. Oh, grabe, Jack, boy. Tulog-tulog. Uy. Sorry.
The white. That's not it. My jacket doing. Sometimes I just do this
Why?
because
Look at your hair. It's so messy.
It's because I always see someone.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I think as a baby, that's why I see. I always see as a baby in that stage.
Yeah? Hungry na ni among bata, oh. Big boy. Nasuko man ang pahag. Hello? Good morning, baby. Agoy, 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 agoy na, agoy, 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 ang sakit sa akong lips, oy. Tanawang dagway, oh. Para itong si Wayne. Magsabi sa akin, para daw ako. Uy, para itong si Wayne personal. Ang kuan niya, tangos ng ilong nito personal. Mama. Okay, didi na tayo. Samok si mama, oy. Sige kuan, oy. Daghag arti. What you doing?
Okay.
Hala, nag-iPad na po ang dalawa. Aduy, halo ko, tuo.
Jagron.
Look at his little face. He's funny, isn't it? What's that bang on? Look at his little face. Oh! Look at his little chubby cheeks. But it disturbed me that I did that letter today. Somebody's put that in. That allergy thing.
No, oy.
Huh?
Maybe it's the rules.
You think? I hope so.
Maybe they...
She's against the wall.
Yeah, she was coughing a while ago.
Mono to do the fans.
You open your window.
Walk it open.
Is it?
Yeah. What is it? What is it, little Jack? Oi! Oi! Hello. You looking at me? You looking at your daddy? Are you looking at me? Because I'm looking at you. Huh? Are you looking at me because I'm looking at you?
He can't see yet.
No.
Oh, he turned into me.
He's got you, Pedro. Are you looking at me because I'm looking at you?
Hello.
He's a little Jackie boy. Hello, dude. Hello, my boy. You okay? Hmm? You like it like that?
How are you holding the head?
With my hand. Oh,
Hello.
hello, dear sister. Hi, sis. It's big sis. It's your big sister. Yeah.
He already looks like the
So you got the spikies, haven't you?
but it doesn't have it there.
No. I think babies don't have head on the back of their head, hair on the back of their head because they keep moving their head all the time
Head.
and it rubs it. He's a little Jackie
I'm
boy.
gonna put in his face.
Oh,
His hair's not going down.
oh, he had a little burp then.
Uh-oh. Daddy wipe.
Yeah, he had a burp.
Daddy wipe it.
I think that's what it was.
Daddy wipe.
Wipe it, wipe it, wipe him then.
No. But he's spitting milk.
He's a little cool. Yeah. Oh,
Oh, he burped. Daddy,
he burped.
put him on
Did
your
you burp?
shoulder.
Huh?
Put him on your shoulder.
I don't know how to do that. I'm scared.
Mommy,
Oh,
Mommy's burping.
is he burping?
He has to burp. Mommy,
Yeah.
why is Jack's not going down?
You okay, burping?
Why is his hair not going down? Jack, stop crying. Daddy, why is Jack's hair not going down? Oh, you're shaking the head. Seka, 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 seka. Uh-oh. Hello. Hello.
Hey, Jackie boy.
Kiss him.
Oh, Jackie boy.
Why are you not kissing me?
Why are you not kissing him? I kissed him.
Can I have smoothie?
Yeah, I'm gonna go ask my mom in the kitchen.
He likes me.
He likes you, doesn't
Yeah. He likes me kiss him.
he? Oi!
Ooh. Stop, stop, stop. The baby. Come.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, what's the matter with the little Jack?
My Jackie's crying.
Oh, oh, oh.
I
Oh.
want to sit.
Oh, is it like that?
You're sitting. You're sitting. Mommy, yeah? Mommy,
Oh,
Jackie's
Jackie
sitting.
boy.
You're sitting.
Mm. Little Jackie boy. Little Jackie boy. Oh, what's the matter? Oh, Jackie. Oh, did you hold him for burping, Mummy?
No, Mommy's downstairs. Mommy's downstairs.
Like that? No? Like that?
No, Mommy don't want you to do that. Mommy want you do this.
Mm.
Oi.
Oh, Mummy's coming. Oh. Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, mouse. Mousy. Hmm?
Oh.
The mousey. I don't know what to do with him, Mummy. He's like a little mouse. Oh, he's not happy with me, though, I know that.
He's
Happy now, look. He's happy now.
Yeah. Look, he knows his mommy.
He's happy now. Look at that. Yeah. What's
You're
his
not
mama?
happy with Daddy? Daddy tried to pick you. Didn't you hungry, di I love? That's why you're not happy with Daddy? Huh? Liit na mukha. Namansa pala ito kay si Jessica kumain dito ng tumulo. Kaya namansa yung bed ng kanilang daddy. Ang bata na bata. Wak na, ang dami ng kinambrasan ng mukha mo lang. Puno na ng kambras ng kuko. So naman na. Tingnan nyo yung nose niya, ha. Mana yan sa kanyang daddy yung nose. Mana na daddy ang nose sana mo, bebe. Ay, nak na. Oh. Liwat na daddy way na ang nose, anak. Maliit man yan siya. Ganyan yan siya kaliit, oh. Pag malayo yung camera, super liit ni baby. Tignan nyo ang socks niya, oh. Shing shi di ding. Tapa, oh. Shing shi di ding. So, behave kayo siya, oy. Behave kayo siya. Wala dyan siyang pakialam sa mundo, oh. Paliguan ko si Inday Jessica. Doon sa kwarto ni Wayne. Okay naman si Jessica, no? Mag-head and shoulder na. Ha?
Jenny, the other one.
Are you batting her? Ay, washing her hair? Here's the shampoo of Jenny, honey, oh. Jenny shampoo.
Okay, my shampoo then, is it?
She used this. Her eyes go red when I use Head and Shoulders.
Why is Head and Shoulders?
The one that I used to use. Oh no, you didn't ask that.
What?
The soap for your bum bum. Wait, what happened?
What?
Is she scared?
Daddy, what?
She's not used to the shower like that, honey.
Wash your body for me, mommy?
Eno.
Wait, Sa. I'll wash you.
I want to see Janet.
Mommy?
Hmm?
Yeah, I washed it here with some Morrison's
Yeah?
gel hair and body shampoo.
Take na, babe. Nabambam, babe. Hello, JJ.
Oops. Don't scratch.
There's only loads. There's a stay in this bed, mummy.
Huh?
Stay in this bed with him. Do you want the music left on?
Yeah,
Oh, you turned it down, did you?
a little bit because I'm vlogging. Baby.
Can I carry him?
You coming, JJ? Or?
Can I
I'm
just
staying here with
carry
Mummy.
him first? Can I
Take Jenny out for a bit. She's right
Carry.
back there, isn't she?
Yeah.
Where's Jenny?
Can I carry him?
Jenny? Where are you? Carry later.
No.
Should you want to go out with Daddy?
But I want to carry first and then go out.
What?
I go
I don't think it's gonna grow, honey.
And shrink.
It doesn't look like, no. Nothing.
Take care of your baby brother.
Stop looking at me.
You gotta take care of him for a long time now.
Why does it look green?
If he's got problems when he's big, he's gonna come and see you. You say, JJ can give you all his problems, alright?
Or maybe it's JJ who's gonna tell Jack.
No,
Jack.
the sensible ones.
What?
What's your son?
What is it?
What's your son?
Put your shoes on then.
What's
if you
your
wanna go out for an hour.
No.
We're not hanging around.
Do not hug the chicken,
Don't
huh?
change my mind.
Oh.
No. No.
Actually, I'm gonna go
Make your mind, Jenny.
Take your
JJ.
belly up
I
then.
don't know.
JJ wants to stay
Just
with
go.
Okay, I'm going.
Ah!
you. JJ likes
Milk coming out him daw. Ay, naghikap sa mong bata. Kuan color.
Why does it sound like color?
Hmm?
Sounds like color.
Hapit na mag 8:30. Dapat maaga sana kami mag-alis. Ani sa dyan. Sa kaniha kay it's cold mag-outside na. Okay. Sorry, oy. Sorry. Jenny! Jennifer! Where's your brother, babe? Where's your brother? Jenny? Is he sleeping? We should buy the kuan. Agoy, natulog si Jack.
What he said.
Ha?
What?
Wala, kalamig sa tulog ni Jack. Hindi kaya ito siya nalamigan. Sobrang lamig today. Nalingaw na ang isang tantingin. I don't know. Ang cute nito, oh. That's so cute, anak. I don't know how much is that. You know, when we go to Bari, when we go out, we can put drinks there. It's nice. Wait, did you vomit? Sorry. Sorry. Come to mama. Come to mommy. Ang bait ng bata na ito. Hello! Aya pa min nakagising. Kaya palagi kaming natutulog. Nag-dig up na nga siya, oh. Nakagigil. Nakagigil akong baby, oy. Oh, nakamidyas. Kamidyas may mga tita. Ano? Ina dayon nakamidyas me. Ha. Nakamidyas me mga tita oy. Kikinig lang gid yan sa akin. Umalis yung mga tao dito. Si Wayne at ang kaniyang mga girls nag-out. Magkuan ako oy, kain kay gutom man ako oy. Hindi pag mag-breastfeed ang gutom. Cute man ka lang ay. Ang liit ng mga legs. Ayan oh. Ang legs. Ang legs. Na baby. Good boy ani ang bata. Hindi gyud ako binilar-bilar nito masyado. Oh, lumalabas nito aking pump. Ay, nag-pump si mommy. Yan, kunti lang. Tulog-tulog na siya mga tito. Tingin-tingin lang yan siya. Tingin-tingin na. Hello, titas. I'm so red. Last time I'm white, now I'm so red. Ano na siya? Kanang magalaw niya na yung ulo niya. Yung kamay. Ayan. Yan, malakas na siya buyag. Ni mami. Na. To. Ting, 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 ting. Kaliit ng mga legs. So, malaki naman itong baby. I hope healthy lang ito aming baby. Oh! Oh! Oh, boxing! Boxing, bay? Boxing ka? Malakas na, oh. Buyag. Puyag-puyag ni among bata. Ang among baby? 1 hour na. Hindi pa nagbalik tulog. Nanuman na. Nanuman na. 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock man siya. Oh, good job. Good job, bata. Grabe, boy, kabig sa burp. Mao hindi siya makarelax. Good job man na. Agay ka good job na ang bata. Nag-burp. Burp, burp, burp. Nag-burp ka? Strong imong burp? Unsa naman ni? Unsa naman ni mga tita? Unsa naman ni mga tita? Oh, ano mong baby titas? Oh, ano mong baby? Oh. Alright. Hindi ka, mami. Hindi ka, mami. Good job na. Nag-burp naman na siya. Nag-burp naman na. Good job mo na siya. Nag-burp. Yeah. Nagkaligo na ang aming bata. Nag-inom siya ng vitamin D. Hari. Ang aking Facebook, ay sorry lang, nag-notify, ang dami kong titiklipin dyan. Diyan, nakaligo na ito. Say hi! Hello everybody! Nag-notify yung aking Facebook last year. Nasa Pilipinas, di ba ako last year? Tapos this year, ayun, may bago tayong baby. Naalala ko lang na last year, nandun ako sa Pilipinas. Tapos, naalala nyo si Papa Bert? Papa Bert ba yung nagsundo sa akin? Sa lahat ng nanood ng aking vlog nung nag-uwi ako ng Pilipinas. Alam nyo, hindi ako nag-share nung...
Mommy's gold.
Yes.
That means I win.
Ang dami kong tiklopin dito.
Hindi
ako nag-share nung nangyari yung yun kay Papa Bert. Pero ngayon naalala ko na naalala ko this time malapit na ay 1 year na nung nandun ako sa Pilipinas. Kaya naalala ko si Papa Bert at yung family niya. Tapos yung mga cousin ko, lahat sila nag-message sa akin na nag-congrats sa akin, nag-greet sa aking birthday. At sa inyo din, salamat sa inyo nag-greet kahapon sa aking birthday. Ayun, tinatawag ko na Papa. Sila lahat. Tapos, di ba ano, no, lang? Nag-share, di ba ako sa inyo na si Papa Bert is nasugod siya ng hospital. Tapos, nakomatos siya. Hindi siya nagising ng ilang days. Nung nangyari yun is, hindi ako nag-share sa inyo. Kasi, grabe yung iyak ko nun. As in, nung pagsabi ni Sheila sa akin, sabi niya, wala na si Papa. No, saan na yung video ko? Yeah, Iwan sa Didi. Iwan ko kung saan na yung video ko na yun. Basta nung nangyari yun, sobrang iyak ko. Tapos sabi ni Wayne, ano nangyari sa'yo? Sabi ko, honey, Papa Bert. Sabi niya, Papa Bert, what happened? Kasi kilala ni Wayne si Papa Bert. Dahil nga si Papa Bert yung nagsundo. Naligo kami ng dagat. Meron kami, doon kami nagstay ng dagat. Basta sila, yung buong pamilya niya. Tapos hindi namin inasahan yung nangyari kay Papa Bert na biglaan lang talaga yun. At ngayon ko pa ito i-share sa inyo na si Papa Bert. Type of flower. Si Papa Bert is nag-rest in peace na siya sa mga ilang mga months na siya nagpahulay na talaga si Papa Bert. Nung sinugod siya sa hospital is nakumatos siya, tapos naalala ko talaga siya kasi alam nyo yung last namin na kita, hindi ko alam, basta gusto niya talagang magsama ako sa kanya. Yung last day ko sa Pilipinas, palagi niya talagang, sama tayo tapos yung last namin talaga kami na nagkausap talaga kami ng sobrang namin na kami lang dalawa. Hinawakan niya yung kamay ko, tapos sabi niya na, salamat ng marami sa lahat ha. Ganun yung sabi niya. Hindi namin inasahan na yun na pala yung first banding at huling banding namin. Si Papa Bert is namatay siya. Namatay si Papa Bert at grabe, broken hearted talaga ako noon kasi naalala ko ba yung banding namin sa Pilipinas. Tapos ngayon, okay naman na sana ako na di ba si Papa Bert, sobrang close namin noon sa Messenger, palagi kami nag-chat noon. Para talagang Papa yung turing ko sa kanya. Tapos maraming nagsasabi sa akin na, bakit daw, siya ba daw yung Papa ko? Di ba nakulong yung Papa ko? Hindi, si Papa Bert is, Papa Bert lang yung tawag ko sa kanya kasi nakikita ko yung fatherly figure na grabe siya ka-caring sa amin, na aking mga kapatid. Tapos, yun, na siya, matay siya. Pagsabi talaga is, grabe yung iyak ko nun, as in halalas na banding na pala namin yun, naligo pa kami ng dagat, at biglaan lang yun, as in, biglaan lang yun yung pagkamatay ni Papa Bert. As in, sobrang hilak ko ato nun. Tapos, pag nandun na siya sa bahay, di ba nakita niyo yung bahay na nag-torture ako? Yung first na bahay na nag-torture ako doon. Doon kami natulog, doon kami nagstay. Doon siya nilagay, yung saan ako natulog, doon sa sahig na yun, doon sa living room, doon siya nilagay. Tapos, tinawagan kami. Pagtawag nila sa amin, pinakita nila si Papa Bert na nandun na siya sa loob ng kabaong. Tapos, sobrang talaga ako na, hindi ko in-expect. Pero nung pagdating ko talaga sa Pilipinas, sabi ko kay Mama, okay lang ba si Papa Bert? Kasi si Mama, nag-chat kami nun. Sabi niya, okay lang naman yan siya. Kay nakita ko parang payat good si Papa Bert. Sabi ko parang may sakit si Papa Bert siguro. Sabi ko kay Mama, sabi ni Mama, okay lang man yan siya. Sad ako dahil wala na akong kausap na parang Papa, kasi siya yung nakakausap ko sa Messenger. Amping ka dyan, Palagi yun, tapos tumatawag, pinapakita ko yung mga maples. Sabi niya pa sa akin na, pag mag-uwi ka, mag-ihaw tayo ng manok. Ganon. So, shinare ko lang sa inyo. Yes, dahil alala ko lang, last year, nasa Pilipinas ako, sobrang saya. This year, sobrang saya din ni Mami, dahil mayroon tayong new baby. As in, masakit sa... First time ko yun na sobrang banding-banding, tapos pagka ilang months na wala bitaw si Papa Bert. Siya kaya yung nagsundo sa akin sa airport. Na sobrang happy pa namin dun noon. Yung sasakyan sa kanya, yung bunggo. Ganun ba? sad kaayo ang life. Ang life natin is unpredictable. Hindi talaga natin alam. So we just need to enjoy and no hate, no bash, no hate na lang talaga sana tayo kay magsige pa man tayong hate sa ibang tao na lang na, magdidi na ni si Jack, oy. Gwapo ra ba niyang dress kay dinosaur? Didi na ka, Jack. Hi siya, di habi. Hi siya, be. Hi, chicks. Anak, sige. Hi, chicks. Ano ba? Hi, chicks. Asip man mo, hi, chicks. Uy.
Oh, yeah.
Ang tangos ng ilong ni Jack, nag-imuhanak. Nakuha mo kay mami.
Let me kiss.
Kiss.
Jack wasn't getting me kiss.
Uy, he did let you kiss. Uy. Didi na ka lang. Kaya mag-sleep na ikaw. No, sleep na ka. Kalimusong yun ni Inday Jenny. Well, be careful with your big head. Oy, kay mapakog kang Jack. Guys, ako anang kuton bad nak Biki. Katul man akong dalungan kasi mayroon itong bulawan dito malaki sa ilalim.
Cotton bag.